Field Group is a module which allows you to group field widgets and formatters together, hence the name Field Group. It supports a whole bunch of different group types such as field set, tabs, accordions, and even basic divs, which is great for adding a wrapping element around fields. So in this video, I want to teach you how to use the module on both view modes and display modes, but it's most commonly used to organize widgets on a content type, especially if you have a content type with a lot of fields on it. So you would mostly use it on form modes. But before we can begin, let's go ahead and download the module. So open up your terminal and type in composer require Drupal/field group. But instead of just pressing enter and installing the module, we need to specify version 3. So to do that, type in : then caret, then 3.0. Because if we jump back to the project page and scroll all the way down, you will see that there is an RC1 for version 3 of the Drupal 8 version. Now, if we don't specify 3.0, it'll download the version 1 for Drupal 8. And that module is pretty old. So we need to specify version 3. So make sure you type in caret 3.0 and then just hit enter. And here we can see RC1 for version 3 has been downloaded, which is perfect. So let's jump back over to our site and then go to extend and then search for field group and then just install the module.